everybody, I want you to take a look at 1-year-old Larnell Jr. He is a true survivor. He was born 4 months premature. Spent 7 months in the hospital after he was born. Please welcome to the show his mother, Crystal. And Crystal is furious because the day this miracle baby was born, Larnell Sr. started to deny he was Larnell Jr.'s father. And not only does Larnell claim he cannot make boys, he also says he cannot produce premature babies. How positive are you that he's the father?
I'm 100% positive, Maury. Pull up the picture and show that they look just alike, Maury. They look exactly just alike. Look at this. Look at the eyeliners, Maury. Look at the eyes. This looks just like him, Maury. This is his baby, Maury. Look just like him.
Well, then why? I don't understand this. So why, if they look so alike, why does he... You know why he denies? He can't make boys.
He can't. That's a whole lie. That looks just like him, Maury.
I'm not the father, Maury. I don't make premature babies. I'm letting you know I'm not the father. She knows I'm not the father. I don't know why she put it right down for that. I'm not the father, Maury. She already knows.
This is your baby. I want him to step up and take your responsibility.
Then he says he can't make premature babies.
Premature babies, well, Maury, that's some That's his baby. That is his baby.
Okay. Are you all together?
Yes, we're together.
You're still together?
Yes.
And he's saying all that?
He's saying all that
but there's a reason why he's saying that.
Because of his cousin, Monique.
His cousin, Monique.
Yes.
Who's here.
She's a drama queen, always in somebody else's business.
That baby is not, that baby does not belong to my cousin.
Why?
That baby do not look like, that baby do not look like my cousin. No, he do not. He cannot make boys. He cannot make boys. She had the baby 4 months early. Who had a baby 4 months early?
Monique.
4 months early. You lying.
Monique.
The lies you tell.
Monique.
We take care of our kids. She lied more.
Monique.
She's lying.
Do you believe he can't make boys?
He cannot make boys.
Do you believe he...
We took 2 paternity tests. We took 2 paternity tests of the potential boys, and they came back not his.
Apparently, you have told your cousin every time that he has had a child, you have told him to get a paternity test.
Yes, I have.
And are they his?
The 2 times that girls claim to have boys by him, both tests came back negative.
Got it. What do you call her?
A thought. She's a whore.
A thought.
He asked me a question.
You talk about when this test comes back, I want you to shut your fat mouth.
Whatever. All right. Yeah.
First of all, Crystal, you say that there are a couple of specific features.
Yes, there are specific features.
Like what?
He has the same hairline and he has the same penis as Larnell does. That's his baby.
Whatever.
Let's talk about that little boy. Let's talk about Larnell Jr. He is a miracle baby.
Yes, he was in the hospital for 7 months.
Early.
Yes. When I had him, Larnell wasn't really there. He only came to the hospital like 2 times.
Why would I be? It's not my baby.
That's your baby. Yes, it is.
But it ain't my baby when I'm hearing all this other stuff.
Larnell, come on out.
Listen, I don't know why she put me out here, Maury. This ain't my baby. Listen, look at this baby. This baby, this ain't my baby, Maury. Listen, look at everything like this. She don't know what she's talking about. Listen, Maury, she don't know what she's talking about.
Have a seat, Larnell. Okay. First of all, are you all still together?
Yes, we is.
Okay.
I've been through this plenty of times, Maury. You understand what I'm saying?
I know you've been.
If it haven't been for my cousin Monique, like I said, I don't make premature babies, Maury.
You don't make premature babies?
I do not make premature babies. Look at me, Maury. Look at me. I don't make premature babies. You understand?
I don't think there's anything in medicine I don't think I've ever seen anything in medicine that says certain men can't have premature babies. I don't think I've ever seen that.
Man, I can't make them. All my kids came out healthy. I can't make premature babies, Maury. I'm telling you.
And you can't make boys.
I can't make boys. Every time a girl tried to throw a boy on me, it was not mine, Maury. My cousin Monique was one told me that.
This is your baby. You gotta step up and take care of your responsibility when you got
This is your baby.
This is your baby.
This is your baby.
Larnell. If this little boy is yours, you'll take care of this.
If this little boy man's murdered, I'll step up and be in his life to correct where I'm supposed to be. Until then, I'm not. You understand? I got a marriage on the line where if everything go right, I will marry her.
Why didn't you show up at the hospital?
I came a few times, but it was like I was hearing all things, type of stuff from her.
He didn't come, he only came twice, Maury. He came only twice.
That's a lie, Maury.
Are you led around on a line by your cousin Monique?
Yeah.
No, I'm not. Monique is my cousin.
I don't tell you what to do. You want to do him? You want him?
Listen, Monique is my cousin, man. It's just our family tradition.
She caused problems for her own self. When they first got together, they were sleeping with other people in the bed with them the same time. You a hoe. It ain't no telling who your baby daddy could be.
Sleeping with
You don't tell me who your baby daddy is. She slept with my It could be my
I trust my cousin Monique, but from the previous.
You trust your cousin more than you trust her?
Well, today he gonna stop trusting
Yes,
her.
I do trust her today. I trust Monique. You understand what I'm saying? I trust her.
Did you go visit that boy the 7 months he was in the hospital?
Yes, I did, and I went more than twice.
Two
That's a
times.
lie.
Two
I went
times.
more than twice.
Two
We're gonna find out right now. We're gonna find out. That's a miracle baby. You should be proud of that baby.
I'm real proud of that baby, Maury.
Okay. When it comes to 1-year-old Larnell Jr., Larnell, this is your first boy. You are the father. You just take care of that.
Why you walking away, Monique?
Yeah,
She don't
I
wanna
step
do
up.
it. Why you want
Okay.
Why you want to
Don't
do
got to kiss her ass.
You
You right. It's all good. It's my baby. I'ma step up and be in his life the way that I'm supposed to be. I'ma fill in for everything that I missed out on. I promise you. I'ma make up for the time that I missed that he was in the hospital and everything.
You get on board, okay? He's going to get on
I'm not
board.
saying I'm not on board, Maury. I'm not saying that.
Okay, so
but
then-
he don't have to make up for her being
Don't,
promiscuous.
hey.
Maury,
I'm worried
she
about the
always
child,
been behind
okay?
my back. She even helped out with
I
this
can't
child
speak
a
for
few
her.
times, too.
Let's talk
And
about the child,
gave
okay?
the baby
He
things and
is the
everything.
father of a miracle child. Let him be a father. Okay? Thank you.
All right.
You are not the father.